In our factory, we have implemented EviXscan 3D solutions in production department. The use of 3D scanning process enabled creating and archiving CAD models of tools and molds used in the production. Thanks to it, worn-out molds and tools can be faster and cheaper recreated even many years after the termination of production, which significantly reduces costs and accelerates the production preparation process. By using the latest developments in the process of pre-production, such as EviXscan 3D, Cooper Standard is a highly respected global supplier of products for the automotive industry.